We have 400,000 citizens in the city of New Orleans, and I can say we're in the millions during Mardi Gras. And that's who we protect and serve. Equipment and Maintenance Division is about 80 to 85 employees. That includes laborers, mechanics, heavy duty, light duty, administrative staff. We manage a total of about 2,700 assets.
The challenges were we really did not know where our stuff was at. We didn't know what departments had. We didn't know what was at external vendors. We were literally finding vehicles. I'm being very honest. We had a huge problem. People did not trust us. The dashboards are very intuitive. It's very plug and play. If you know how to surf the web, you can use Samsara. The human resource, I say all the time, is the most important resource. And we want our people to get home safe. It's not just about protecting the vehicle, it's about protecting the individual inside of the vehicle who goes to work every day. Make sure you have a partner that's covering your vehicle. If you see something, say something. Somebody was able to identify a pickpocketer yesterday. We are not only been able to hold our folks accountable, but the public too. Like when somebody says our folks did something, well, here's the camp, they didn't do that. We now have the footage to support us and exonerate us from liabilities and protect us from lawsuits as well. Samsara allows us to be more efficient, it saves us time, and it allows us to make better decisions about where to place vehicles and what's going on with our vehicles. And now I have that in a centralized location, and I can track my assets in real time.
We got an email and it said, hey, we have this audit that we need to respond to. I said, okay, we can answer these questions. This is simple. So that's where Samsara came into play. Now, if they call us, we can give any information that anyone needs. How many assets you have, what assets do have cameras, what assets are being GPS tracked. Can you give me an example of what happened to this asset on this date and time? We serve a citizen, and we want to be completely transparent.
Samsara not only gave us credibility, but it empowered our folks to do things that they never thought that they could do.